Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this AI avatar video using HeyGen. First, watch this final result. After that, I'll break everything down step by step so you can easily follow along and create your own. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Akash, a digital clone created by tech builder Akash to show you how to build your own AI avatar and create amazing videos effortlessly. In this channel, you'll learn step by step how to design, customize, and use your own virtual avatar for content creation, business, or personal branding. If you're excited to create your own digital twin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Let's build something. We are going to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your avatar. Step 2. Add your script and customize settings. Step 3. Generate your final video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own AI avatar video ready to share. First, go to HeyGen and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing we need to do is create an avatar. I've already created a few avatars before, but I'll create a new one with you so you can see the full process. Click on Create Avatar. Now, upload a clear, high-quality HD image of yourself. Make sure the image is well lit, facing forward and sharp. This helps HeyGen generate a better and more realistic avatar. After uploading your image, you can describe the style you want. For example, you can choose different outfits, looks, or themes. Once everything looks good, click on Generate. It usually takes less than 3 minutes to complete the generation process. I'll fast forward this part so we don't waste time. And as you can see, it has generated 3 different versions. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. And here is the third option. The great thing is that it keeps your facial features natural. It doesn't change your face dramatically. I'm going to select this one as my avatar for the video. Now let's move to the next step. Now that our avatar is ready, click on Create Video. It will take you to the video editor page. For this video, I already generated a script using ChatGPT. You can also write your own script if you prefer. Both options work perfectly fine. Next, you'll see different Motion Engine options. I'm using Motion Engine 3, which is available with the premium plan. If you have a paid subscription, I recommend using the premium Motion Engine for better results. Now let's talk about voice settings. You have multiple options here. You can use a voice from HeyGen's voice library. You can change the accent, you can adjust the tone, you can enhance the voice, or you can even upload and use your own recorded voice. For this video, I'm using my own voice, but you can choose whatever works best for you. Now, I'll copy the script I created and paste it into the script section. There are also built-in options that allow you to improve or enhance your script directly inside HeyGen. Before generating the final video, you can preview the voice to hear how it sounds. Let's click preview and listen. Hi, I'm Akash, a digital clone created by tech builder Akash to show you how to build your own AI. As you can hear, it sounds good and natural. You can also see the estimated duration of your video on the screen. Once everything looks good, click on Generate. You can add a title for your video if you'd like, or you can leave it blank. Then click Submit. Once you submit, HeyGen will begin processing your video. It usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes to generate the final result. I'll fast forward this part so we don't waste time. And now the video is ready. Let's play it. Hi, I'm Akash, a digital clone created by tech builder Akash, to show you how to build your own AI avatar and create amazing videos effortlessly. In this channel, you learn step by step how to design, customize, and use your own virtual avatar for content creation, business, or personal branding. And that's it. Your AI avatar video is complete. Now you can download it, share it on social media, upload it to YouTube, or use it for marketing, education, or content creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to create more tutorials like this, or if you want to see tutorials using other AI tools. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.